Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's analysis and discussion regarding Quant Network, a project that I have, been supporting for quite some time, especially if you guys are a follower on my channel. So we're going to be discussing what exactly is happening with QNT right now and where we could see the price of QNT heading as we do go into this upcoming month of September. So before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So, we know what has happened at this point, especially if you guys are examining the entire cryptocurrency markets on a daily basis. You know that, cryptocurrency market has, been hit quite substantially over the past 1 month. And, that is mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin has seen a little bit of I wouldn't really say a little bit of a pretty significant drop within its price after Elon Musk's company SpaceX came out and announced that they no longer hold their Bitcoin position. And obviously, that was a huge factor last bull cycle, which really caused the market to move, and that is going to impact the market. So not a surprise at all. And in my opinion, I think the reason as to why this announcement was even made was because I think they just want to enter at a cheaper price. Not only do they want to enter at a cheaper price, they all have a plan at the end of the day. This time around, we know one massive difference is that Elon Musk has purchased Twitter, obviously known as X now, and that is going to be huge. Maybe later down the road, especially if Bitcoin were to lose its support line at $25,000 and retest 22K mark, what if we hear an announcement that they have bought back Bitcoin? So, these are things that we need to keep in mind. But as far as Quant is concerned, we're seeing something very, very interesting playing out with QNT, which tells me that we are in for a massive, massive surprise and could potentially be heading to some new yearly highs sooner than a lot of people really think. If we're looking at the price of Quant right now, it's currently sitting at $100.85. So once again, we're seeing QNT in that 3-digit mark. It's up 1.5% in all three comparatives: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USD comparatives. Looking at its market cap approaching that $1.5 billion mark with the 24-hour trading volume at 12.2 million. So what exactly is that exciting thing that you guys might be wondering that I'm talking about? The thing that I really, really want you guys to keep in mind is, remember, we did see a significant drop within the markets over the past 2 weeks, and we know the reason as to why that's the case now. But look what's QNT doing. It's one of the least, impacted coins. You can see this for yourself. It's down only 2%, guys. Quant is down 2%, while majority of the entire market right now is in deep red. Majority projects down double digits, which you can see this for yourself. So what this tells me is that the momentum is shifting towards Quant. A lot of people have started discussing QNT. That really shows, that this could potentially be the start for Quant to really start making some highs. And, we know Quant hasn't really moved up pretty much this year. We did see earlier February, but later last year, we did see it making some massive, massive strides across the crypto space. And, that is something really, really exciting to see. But before we get into the charts, guys, I want you guys to really take your time right now and go follow me on Twitter. I'm really going to start posting a lot on Twitter. So go follow me on Twitter. I'm sorry, it's not Twitter anymore. It's X. I need to keep remembering that. But anyways, my tag is crypto__ZX. Go follow me, guys. Let's get the followers on my X platform really going, and I'm going to start posting a lot and engaging with you guys on there. So go do that right now. Now, after you have done that, let's look at what's happening. So as far as the overall holder count goes, I'm really, really liking what I'm seeing with QNT. We've seen a massive, massive uptake. Literally, if we go all the way back on the 11th of August, we've just been in this upwards trajectory in terms of holders. New holders are coming. New holders are starting to see the value that, Quant really provides. It's a very, very unique technology that helps blockchain succeed, and that is huge. And obviously that is bringing in a lot of attraction. And as we do go into this new coming year, Bitcoin halving is coming. A lot of regulatory things are happening, potentially the ETF being approved. So smart money is looking for projects that will be the bigger ones, and obviously the ones that are bringing utility and have real use cases. Smart money is slowly but surely accumulating those projects right now, and in my opinion, Quant is one of the ones that a lot of people have their eyes on as we speak. And as far as the price is concerned, now you guys might be saying, Crypto ZX, what really is happening with the price? I'm really shocked at how good Quant has held. Like, it's really shocking to say the least, because like I said, entire market is down right now. Obviously it's no exception. It is going to react to that price in the immediate short term. So as soon as Bitcoin saw that massive flash crash, we did see Quant go all the way down to this $87 support line, this wick. Obviously this was mainly due to the fact that probably massive amounts of longs got liquidated, and this is obviously a wick that did not last too long, because you can see this for yourself. QNT made its way back up to the $100 mark quite fast, and pretty much we haven't seen QNT retest this level of support all the way since September of last year. So this really paints a picture as to how good Quant has been holding, pretty much accumulating below the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which is this blue zone. We've seen countless of times, basically once in April and once obviously in June, 2 different times, Quant tried to break back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, but both times we have seen a rejection. And this time around, we've pretty much been hanging around this level at the $100 mark, which is really good to see. But the thing that's switching up now is more and more people are starting to realize what Quant is doing, especially newcomers coming into the space. Remember what I told you guys beforehand? We did see in a bear market, when there was the most uncertainty, no one wanted to touch anything, but we saw Quant making its way all the way up to $230. Smart money knew what it was doing, and obviously since then it has retraced pretty much, trading within this range for the entire year of 2023, and basically really good to see how good this project is holding. And I'm really thinking that once it gets into the 78.6, we will see more attention than ever, and could potentially see us retesting the new yearly highs, and could potentially go all the way up to the 61.8. But first and foremost, we need to retest the $155 resistance, because that is a huge level of resistance. We did try to retest that, went above that, but was the rejection, and obviously we know what happened since then. But nonetheless, the project is holding really good, man. And this excites me. Whenever I'm looking at Quant, it honestly excites me, because it honestly shows what a good project is capable of doing. We did see BTC see a massive crash, and this is a significant pull down. You guys might be saying, Crypto ZX, it's still holding really strong around 26k, but this is still a sharp drop, and that was mainly due to that SpaceX announcement. But how Quant has held and had reacted to this really shows what people think about Quant itself. So I'm really excited to see what Quant does. Really liking this. Like I said, as far as the price is concerned, holding really good. 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level is the target where I would like to see the price of Quant heading, and I do not see it having a problem whatsoever, as if Bitcoin even sees a little bit of a move towards the upside. I really think this can start moving, and even if Bitcoin hangs around this zone, I am expecting that QNT could make its way up and outperform Bitcoin. So really exciting to say the least. It would be really interesting to see how things play out in the upcoming days. But let me know down below if you guys want to see more Quant updates. You guys need to smash that like button, share this video everywhere possible, and I will give you guys those updates that you guys request. But with that said, love you all. See you tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.